Recording in.
So previous class we discussed about regarding the creation of the table, designing of form. So up to here, any doubts are there, guys?
No.
No, fine, right?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. So now I'm creating another table. Assume that table as a child table, this table as the parent table. Go for the tables. Same. First you create the table, then you can search the table. Then only we need to design these fields and sections, guys. Okay, so now we can design that. So HDFC health insurance is the health. So previously we designed that HDFC health insurance. Then we can go for the HDFC life insurance. Okay, so name should be automatically taken. Now what can we do means this HDFC health insurance is extensible to another table. Before we enable this extensible for HDFC health insurance, means the table is the parent table. So in the extend table here we can give the HDFC health insurance extend table. Means this is the parent table, this is the child table. Now what are the activities and functionalities are available? This is replicated to this child table as well. Okay, just if you want means you can create the auto number. Submit it. Refresh it. Okay. Next. See, HDFC life insurance. Then you can click as a new. See, all the fields are available. This life insurance as well. See, it is copied. Can open health insurance as well for another tab. See, click as a new. See, see, like this way we need to design the fields, guys.
Pandu,
Yeah.
if we modify anything in parent table now,
Yeah.
it will reflect in child table as well.
No, modified means nothing. Suppose if you create anything means, so modified and create with nothing will be happen.
Okay.
So suppose if you make mandatory or read only means, then it should be replicated.
Okay. If you add any one more field like
Yes.
some address like that, it will come to child table as well.
Understand. We will try it. Sorry, we will do it now only.
Okay.
Okay, this is the parent table. Health insurance is the parent table. Okay. Suppose I'm adding start date field is there, right? We can add one more field, end date. Date and time. Okay. So this is the This you can refresh it. The field is not available in the form. Let's check it using form layout. It is there in the database.
Okay.
See, candidate field is there.
Okay.
Okay. If field is not available in the form means you can check it the backend.
Okay.
The field is created. Anything it should be inherited, guys. So that's why what are the activities are available in parent table should be replicated to child as well. Definitely, it will be included. Okay. This type of requirement. Yesterday I did one thing. So what means suppose this type of choice list field is there. Okay. So my lead say that we need to add some more two choices here. Okay. Suppose this is the parent table. Nearly 12 child tables are there. 12 child tables, not 1 or 2 child tables. One parent table, 12 child tables are there. Okay. Those are all the things are customized only. When I added here, definitely it is replicated to 12 child tables. But they want the child tables as well. That is one more thing. Suppose I added 2 extra choices here. I will add some two more fields here. Suppose assume that there are 10 or 12 child tables is there. Definitely it is replicated to 12 child tables. But my requirement is I need only 2 child tables, not for all the 12 child tables. So then we can go with the dictionary override concept. And it will come the next level. Okay. Next we can discussing the dictionary override only. Okay. So in this way we can design the table. Suppose I will impersonating any ideal user. Let's see. Go with the users. Okay, edit. So only Abhishek has ideal role. Okay. Let's first you can impersonate with Abhishek. Let's check it. The user will be able to access these tables or not. Okay. So I'm impersonating Abhishek. See, Abhishek cannot be able to access this one because why means Abhishek is an ITL user. Okay, ITL has the limited access. Suppose he won't able to access this table as well means definitely we need to provide the role to the user. Okay, so go for here. See, whenever we can create the table, definitely role also will be created, guys. Okay, so come here, an impersonation. See, every table automatic one role is created. This is the role. Okay, so whenever you are customizing some tables means so directly without the your manager permission, don't do the custom tables. Don't create your own table because of definitely you need to create the table means definitely you take the permissions because whatever customized things you need to means definitely you need to take the permission from your higher authority people. See, this role is whenever the table is created, this role is automatically created. Role is very, very important. I already told you. Okay. Don't create the new roles unnecessarily. Without any permission, you don't create the new roles. That is not a best practice. Okay. So just you can copy this role. Or you want health in HDFC health. You can give the HDFC. Just you can go here. The roles are started with U underscore, right? U underscore. Just I'm giving as a directly health insurance. Let's see. Just I'm providing role to the user. Now he can be able to access that application. Okay. Now impersonate the user. See, HDFC health insurance. See, now he can able to access. Okay. In this way, we can able to create the table and assign the role to the user. If suppose he wants means. Okay. This is the creation of the design the form. So clear, guys?
Yes, Pandu.
Yes, Pandu.
Yeah. Pranam is there in the class? Pranam Jain. Now for the heading is a dictionary. 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 It is considered as I will send the PDF. Okay. So I will send the PDF to Raghavendra some Kumar as well, Farhan. And you need to write down the test, not PDF, but document. I will give some questions. Okay, 20-25 questions like that will be there. So next Friday up to syllabus from first to next coming Friday. So how many topics we discuss up to their test? I will conduct some test. Now I'm planning to every 2 weeks or every week we need to conduct some test level. The state is there.
Yeah.
I was selected Andhra Pradesh. So you said that related Andhra Pradesh cities only need to show. That is only right. Ramana, are you there?
Yeah.
So when I select the state, okay. So you need to. So you are asking that when I select one particular state, the related state cities only need to show here.
Okay.
That is only right. You are asking.
Yes.
It will come. It will come dependent values.
Okay.
Okay. So after completion of this dictionary override topics, we can discuss the dependent values. I will tell you slowly, guys. It is related to. It is linked to the dictionary topic. So that's why I didn't discuss here.
Okay, Pandu. Thank you.
Okay. So dictionary, it is consists of to set the field as mandatory. To set the field as mandatory. Read only. To set the field as mandatory. Read only. Display. 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 Set the default value. Set the default value.
What was the last part? And reference what? I'm sorry.
Reference qualifier. reference qualifier.
Got it.
Qualifier. Okay. The heading as a reference qualifier. Types of reference qualifier: simple, advanced, advanced, and dynamic. Simple, advanced, and dynamic. Now coming to dictionary concept. Okay, so I'm opening the, what are the custom table we created? That thing I need to, you can go for this example. I'm opening the instance form as well. See, in this instance form, you can observe couple of fields make as a mandatory, and some of the fields are read only. So some of the fields are setting the default values. See, the call is the mandatory, short description is mandatory, description is the mandatory. Priority is the read only. Read only means non-editable fields. Okay, we can't edit the fields here. Okay, see here. So default value means, see, the category set as a inquiry value defaultly. State is set as a new. Impact is set as a low. Some of the fields are setting as default values. So those things we can discuss under the dictionaries. Okay, so how can a field make as a mandatory means? Okay, suppose I need manager field as a mandatory. Okay, so just you can right click, or I need state field as a mandatory. Can give some right click, go to configure dictionary, second option, select the field, right click, then go to configure dictionary, enable the mandatory here, update it. Okay, see, the field as a mandatory. Suppose I need field make as a read only. Here, suppose you can select any one of the field as a read only. Okay, suppose I will select the field as a end date. End date, I need the field as a read only. Right click, go to configure dictionary. Just we enable the read only. Update it. See, I'm unable to read the field. Okay, I'm unable to read the field. Suppose I need to set the default value. Okay, so suppose a state is a state default, I need Telangana. Default I need set state as a Telangana. Simple. Can go here. So if you want to remove the mandatory means simple, just you can disable it. That's it. The mandatory will be removed here. See, if you want to set the default state as Telangana, whenever you can open the new record, so it should be show the state as a Telangana. Configure dictionary. Okay. So when you can set the default state as Telangana, so open this dictionary. Okay. So here default value is there. Here we need to give the particular choice value. So what are the Telangana choice values there? That Telangana choice value here we need to give. So come down. So what are the choices are available here? See these choice types, access control, choices, attributes, so many things are there. So you can go choices. See these are the choices. So if you want to create the new choice elements from here also you can create it. Go to the click as a new and fill it and you can create it. Okay. Now here we need to label is there, value is there. Okay. Here for backend thing we need to consider as a value only, guys. Okay. Copy this value. Can give it. That's it. Okay. See. Default the value should be Telangana. So if you want to create the new thing, HDFC health insurance come down. New. See. It is there. Default it will be selected as a particular value. Why means in the default value you can pass the particular choice value. Their label is the value is there. We need to consider the value only. Label means you should be displaying here. Value means it should be a black backend. Okay. Suppose by using, so normally how can you create these choices? Here go to configure choices and go to configure choices. Here we need to add the choices. By using dictionary also we can add it. So I want some Kerala state value. Now value I am giving 5. Okay. So these values should be, you can give anything, guys. You can give uppercase letters or lowercase letters or integers. It should be considered. Okay. Label name means what are the things it should be visible on the form. That is the label. Value didn't visible on the form. It should be a backend level. You can consider anything. You can give same what are the label name is you can give the same name as well. Or the K is the uppercase letter. You can remove that one. You can give the lowercase. Okay. Or you can give some underscore. You can add some integer. Or you can add some another one. Anything. Okay. So value can be considered anything, guys. Integers or lowercase or uppercase, whatever it may be. Just you can submit it. So if you want sequence, which order means, so I need 5. Sequence order. Okay. Come down. Here's a new. See, here Kerala is there. Yeah. Okay. Suppose in future, again my client will be told that I no need this Tamil Nadu. I no need to show this Tamil Nadu. Okay. Don't delete anything. Okay. Just go here, dictionary, configure dictionary. Come down, open this record, particular choice record. Okay. Inactive is there. Enable this inactive. That's it. See? Terminal record is not available. Just to get inactive. In future, again, he asks that I need to show on the form. Just go to configure dictionary. Okay. Don't delete or don't remove, guys. Just you can make as a active false or inactive true. Open this Tamil Nadu and the list you on here only. Select it, double click, false. That's it. Come here, click as a new. Let's show it. See, again the value should be there. Okay. So like this way, we can by using dictionary concept, we can make it a mandatory read only and set the default values, whatever it may be. Okay. Now coming to reference type of fields. See here, manager is there. Okay, when I click on here, so manager is reference to the user table. Okay, means whenever I give the particular table, all the list of records are displaying here. Okay, my requirement is only ITL results only need to show here, not for all the 633 users. Only ITL users need to be shown here. Okay, only ITL user need to be shown here. So now select the field, right click, go to configure dictionary. Okay, go for reference specification. Here we need to add the conditions. See, when I click on the, see here, I told you types of reference qualifier: simple, advanced, and dynamic. Okay, so where can I see this type of reference qualifier? And I'm unable to see here. Now, slowly come down here. Related links. The advanced review is there. Click on this advanced review. Roles is ITIL. Just you can give the role here. That's it. See here, simple, dynamic, advanced is there. When I select the dynamic here, we need to add the filters. And when I select the advanced here, we need to add one syntaxes. Okay, these dynamic and advanced reference qualifier, I will tell whenever you enter into the scripting, then only I will tell it, because this will interlink with the script include concept. Okay, here we need to call the script include here. Whenever you can enter into the script include concept, then I will discuss these two topics. Okay, now we can go with only simple. Okay, just I give the filter condition. Whatever conditions you can give, that records we need able to show here. See, role is ITL. Click on update. Let's see. See, only 54 years are there. These all the years of the ITL role. See, Abhishek has the ITL role. Okay, see, only 54 years only will be displaying here. Like this way, based on requirement, so we need to give the conditions there. Suppose this is our personal instance. So most of us 600 plus users are there. Whenever you can enter into the company, some more users like 20,000 users or 30,000 users are there. Okay, in that 20,000 users, assume that 20,000 users are there in our instance. 20,000 user accounts are there in our instance. In the 20,000 user accounts, only 15,000 are active users. Remaining 5,000 are inactive users. But when I click on here, okay, all the 20,000 users are displaying here. I no need to show the inactive users. I need to show only active users. So just you can go here, give the filter condition is active is true. Only the active users only will be able to show here. Come down. You can add something means and active is true. That's it. Update it. Only active users only will be able to show here. When I click on here, see 53 users. Before 54 is there. Now only 53 only is there. Because one user will be inactive. By using filter, the record should be hide here. Okay. So got it. Okay. So like this way, we
Yes.
can access filter conditions. Okay. So most of our filter conditions means in my experience, I did that groups. So whenever I'm clicking on here, suppose that 30,000, 40,000 groups are there. Okay. So many as inactive groups are there, but client is disturbing here. So many groups are there. So he is searching out. Just you can give as a active is true. That's it. Only active groups only will be able to show here. Okay. So this is the way we need to, by using dictionary concept, we can do anything. Mandatory, read only, anything.
And
Yes.
whatever fields you can update in parent table, it will be reflected to child table also.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Pandu.
Definitely. Okay. That is on the next dictionary order I'm discussing. So how can we override the child tables? Suppose this is the parent table.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Suppose two child tables are there. So
Yeah.
what are the things I did? It's a mandatory or read only or anything. Definitely it should be replicated to child tables as well.
Okay.
I don't need to replicate to child table. Two child tables is there. I need only one child table.
Yeah.
Remaining child table don't follow the parent table. So that thing by using dictionary override, we need to override now. Now we can discuss that one.
Okay.
Okay. Put the heading as a dictionary override. Okay. And these configurations you can did by using any table, guys. So by using custom table, I will tell you, so you can clearly understand the things step by step, step by step. So sometimes required comes down to problem table, sometimes change table or incident table or custom tables. Any tables, the system tables or custom tables. But concept is this one. Okay. You need to remind the concept only. Okay. They will ask any application. See, all the things are same. You can use the table name and you can do the things. That's it only. You can do the configurations. Okay. Sometimes see, I did the custom table. Okay. Sometimes the client will be asked, so this state field as a mandatory in the incident form. Open the incident form and go to dictionary, enable mandatory. That's it. Okay. So now put the heading as a dictionary override. This is also important interview question. Definitely, I will give this weekend question as well. Dictionary override is considered as what are the activities are available in parent table? What are the activities are available in parent table? Same thing will be replicated to child as well. Same thing will be replicated to child as well. Restrict the particular child tables by using dictionary override. We can restrict the particular child tables. Okay. So how can we restrict the child tables? Okay. So I'm creating one more table. Okay, right now 2 tables are there. I'm creating one more table. Just I'm giving a HDFC insurance. Policy, something. Okay. Same here, extend table I'm giving that HDFC health insurance. This is the parent table. See, this is the parent table. And you can observe here, when I type the HDFC, so the 2 tables are there. HDFC health insurance, HDFC life insurance. See, HDFC life insurance, I'm unable to see the life insurance. Because of why means, for HDFC life insurance, I didn't enable this extensible. I enable only HDFC health insurance. Means the HDFC health insurance reference to extended to some other table. So that's why it is showing here. Because it's a parent table. Okay, fine. Enable the auto number, submit. Let's refresh the form. See, everything is copied here. See, read only, default value, go with here. See, everything is copied here. Insurance policy from parent to child. Okay. Now open the parent table. This record and this record. I am opening the parent table and child table as well. Everything is I am opening here now. Okay. Now what I will do means, this is the parent table. Okay. I will make city as a mandatory. Right click. By using dictionary, I will make city as a mandatory. Enable the mandatory. Save it. See, I will click on save means the form will be remains the same page. When I click on the update means the value should be updated. It should be moved to previous page. Okay, just open the parent table. I make field as a mandatory. Okay, now what I did means open this record. See, this is the child table, HDFC life insurance child table, the field as a mandatory, and HDFC insurance policy. Refresh the field, refresh the form. See, the city as a mandatory. When I do some activity in the parent table, definitely it is inherited to child table as well. Okay. Now what I did means, I no need this field as a mandatory for a insurance policy table, insurance policy form. I need only mandatory for life insurance only. I need to remove this one here. Because of this HDFC insurance policy form is not following the parent table. It is going for their own way. Okay. Now what we did means by using dictionary override, we need to override this child table from the mandatory. Mandatory or read only or default value, anything. Okay. Just come to dictionary for the parent table. So what are the parent tables? Is the health insurance is parent table. Go to dictionary here. Okay. So come down. Dictionary overrides. Open the field level. Dictionary is city field. See, column name is city field. Okay. See here. Child tables are displaying here. Life insurance, the insurance policy. You can say the insurance policy. Now I need override mandatory. See, override dependent value, override reference qualified, default value. So many things are there. Just you can enable the override mandatory. That's it. Submit it. Okay. See insurance policy. That's see here. If you want means you can refresh. See, for life insurance, mandatory is there. Going for the insurance policy, let's refresh the form. See, mandatory is removed here. Okay, by using override concept, dictionary override, we can override the things. Suppose assume that now only two tail tables are there. Now 20 or some every parent tables about 10 or 15 child tables are there. I no need to suppose I make field as a mandatory on the parent table. It should be replicate all the child tables. I need only 5 child tables. Remaining 10 are so I need to override the I need to remove the mandatory or I need to remove the read only. I need to remove the default value. Anything. No need to set the default value. By using dictionary concept, just you can enable that override. That's it. Override mandatory or override read only anything. You can did for the read only. You can create the parent table and did for the read only. Okay. So this is the concept of override, guys. So any doubts out there up to here?
Good morning, Pandu.
Yes.
Actually, by using UI process also, we can make a field.
Yes. It will come the next class. Okay.
Actually, that's not the.
No. Don't confuse. I will tell you anything. Okay. Step by step, you need to understand it clearly. UI policy is there, data policy is there, client scripts is there.
Yes,
Okay.
My question is mostly we are using which method?
UI policy only.
Okay.
UI policy, client scripts only. Don't go with the dictionary. Okay. Dictionary will go means it will replicate all the child tables. So that's why you can go with the UI policy. I will tell.
Okay.
Okay. I will tell, madam. Don't worry about the thing. Okay. Now I will discuss UI policy means you can't understand. But dictionary concept also very, very important.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Pandu.
Thank you. Okay. So clear, guys. Up to here, any doubts?
It's clear.
Any roadblocks?
So far,
Yes, Farhan, you are saying something?
I was saying so far so good.
Good. Okay. So you practice up to tables.
Yes, Pandu. Pandu, one more thing. When I am creating users and groups also, I allocate the role to the user, but it's not showing showing in a list view his role.
List view, the field is not there, right? It is going for the related list level.
Yes. In list view, that field only shows.
Yes. What are the fields are available in the user table? That fields only will be able to show in the list view.
Okay.
See, roles are the related list.
Okay.
So related list fields not able to show. Okay.
Okay, Pandu.
Yeah. Okay, so put the heading as a dependent values. You can write the definition. So this thing we can discuss on the tomorrow. So I think somebody has some question, right? So when I select the state, I need related cities means. So now that topic we will discuss. Put the heading as a dependent values. One field is dependent on another field. One field is dependent on another field. Dependent values, dependent. Independent, dependent is there, right? Dependent. It is considered as one field is dependent on other field. One field is dependent on another field. That is example. There is example in an incident form. In an incident form. That is example in an incident form. Subcategory is dependent on the category. Subcategory is dependent on the category.
I'm sorry, what's the example? I'm sorry.
Example in an incident form. In an incident form, subcategory is dependent on the category. 10 minutes class లో ఉన్నా చేస్తా 10 minutes నా క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నా చేస్తాను. In an incident form, subcategory is dependent on the category. Okay, next, assigned to is dependent on assignment group. Subcategory is dependent on the category, comma, assigned to is dependent on assignment group.
Pandu, sorry, can you repeat it again?
It is considered as, okay, one field is dependent on another field. That is example in an incident form. Subcategory is dependent on the category, comma, subcategory is dependent on the category, comma, assigned to is dependent on assignment group. Assigned to is dependent on assignment group. Assigned to is dependent on assignment group. Okay, see here. So what are the concept means here? Category inquired by help is there, guys. When I click on subcategory, see only related this inquired by help category subcategories on displayed here. Antivirus, email, internal applications. When I go for software, see here related software things on display here. When I go for hardware, see related hardware things on display here. See, when I go for network, it will display the network things only. When I go for database, see related database things on displaying here. See, MS SQL, Oracle, everything. Means subcategory is dependent on the category. Like the same way, tomorrow we will discuss this dependent value concept. We will go with our custom table. State, city. City is dependent on the state. How the subcategory values are populating a related category. Like the same example, we can discuss in the custom table, state and city as well. See here, assignment group is there. When I select the assignment group here, database, assign to is, see here, only related database group members are displaying here. When I go with hardware, see here, related hardware users only shown here. See, before 3 users are there, now 7 users are there. They're group members. Only the particular group members are shown here. Okay, means assign to is dependent on assignment group here. Okay, like the examples, we can go with the dependent values tomorrow, and tomorrow we will discuss the dependent values and data lookup rules. Then we will go the UI policy, data policy, step-by-step concepts. Okay, so up to here, any doubts, guys?
Yes, Pandu, one more doubt.
Yes.
Actually, when I check the previous records in user list, they give a user ID as a surname, body name dot surname.
Yes.
But like that time, when I give, it's not allowed to reset the password. May I know what's the reason behind that?
No, it should be allowed, that one.
But I tried, but it's not. It's restricted in me.
No. That is this password should be not as a. It is not interlink the user ID. Okay. So here Praveen is there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Suppose I'm removing this thing. Parry Praveen only I will keep here.
Parry dot Praveen, they give you like that name.
Something. It is getting.
But
Okay.
I'm said password needs to reset. I mean.
No. Whenever you can set the password,
Okay.
wait. That option will be work. Previously, here password field is there. You can enter some default. You can enter some default password. Welcome 123. You can enable the password resetment. It should be working. Now from Sandy onwards, they will give they only giving the default password here.
Okay.
Set the password. See, when I click on generate the password. Okay. So copy this password, save the password. See, when I click on the save, now you can see password need reset is there.
Okay.
Okay, like this way you need to enable the password reset. It is allowing.
Okay.
Okay. So previously we can manually enrolling. From Sandy onwards, they will give they only setting the password. Okay.
That means if we check the password needs reset, we don't go to the set password.
No. You will go for the set password only. Then only you can check the password. See, you will check the password need reset enable manually. So definitely you need to give the one default password. Right? Where can you giving the default password here?
Yes, I am telling that actually I give a user ID like parry dot.
Okay, you can user ID. You can giving anything.
Check in
okay.
here.
Okay, so you need to password need reset means you can enable the password need reset means definitely you need to give one default password, right? Then only he can able to reset the password.
Okay.
Understand my point?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, suppose you enable the password need reset. Okay, Praveen needs to reset the password. But what is the password? Which password you are giving? You need to give some password, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 or something. Where can you go? You are giving.
Okay.
Before Sandy go, our field is there.
Yes.
Okay. So just password one field is there. Here we are entering the password. From Sandy onward, the password they are hiding this field and they're setting the password here. So whenever you click on the set password, So it is only automatically generating the password. So when I click on the save password, so it should be resetting the password. Automatically the field will be enabled.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Pandu.
So, okay, guys. So daily I'm not I'm not telling the some notepad, right? So I'm telling the definitions, I'm showing the process wise. Okay, I will share the materials. Okay, I will share the
Okay,
materials.
Yeah, okay, Pandu. Okay, Pandu. Yeah.
Yep. Okay, guys. Fine. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss some more topics. Up to here, we can practice it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice
Bye.
day.
Thank you.